So this is a locomotor assay plate, Drosophila activity monitor. So there are many holes, and so if when a fly was placed into the tubes, the end with food is kept with this is a plastic cap, and the other end is inserted with a sponge, and then it was loaded into a tube, into a hole. And after all the holes are loaded, the plate is there is a cable connecting to this to monitor the activities of the flies. So each hole has a infrared sensor. So if a fly if a fly walking from this end to the other side, it will pass the center, and it will block the infrared light, and it will be recorded as a locomotor activity of 1. So the recording was frequency is 10 seconds. So it will calculate for every 10 seconds how many crossover take place. Usually, most of the time is 0 because the fly does not stay here or stay there. So if there was a cross, it will count as 1. So if the monitor was continue counting for the 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, and last for the total days that was counted. It will count endlessly as long as it do not stop. For the teach staining, because that one need much more flies. So I will not use the assay plate, but just use this one, and put the flies in and place on a tray. On this kind of tray, place on the tray and place on the incubator. So and after at the day of the dissection, just take the fly out and dissect the brains and do the teach staining. This plate is not used because this teach staining needs much more of the because each group has about 60, I think, about roughly 60. More than 60 tubes are used. So usually, a tray is filled with all the glass tubes.